Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Aditya N. Campex ID 1VE23CA005, studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bengaluru, class Artificial Intelligence. Today I'm gonna explain about the topic Smart City and its feature in the subject Introduction to Civil Engineering, subject code BESCK 204A. Coming to the first part, we have over here Introduction to Smart Cities. Smart cities leverage technology to improve the quality of life for residents. So, smart cities provide more leverage and make the life of human beings simpler compared to the normal cities. These they use data and connectivity to optimize infrastructure and services. They use all kinds of different kind of data. For example, what are the basic human needs when what are not required in the cities, which are most required in the cities, and where at and when which timings do we require such requirements in the cities. They use all that kind of data and build a city which is smart and more reliable compared to the normal cities. The goal is to create sustainable, efficient, and inclusive urban environments. Then we have connectivity in smart cities. Smart cities are characterized by high speed broadband connectivity. So, smart cities always have a high speed broadband connectivities like internet, or let it be telephone, or let it be your television, anything. Those are connected through a very high speed. For example, if I'm doing something right now and I'm telecasting it live, within the fraction of milliseconds you would be updated whatever I'm doing right now, or whatever you want to show in live. For example, there is some cricket match going somewhere, and if the city is connected through a broadband, it would be telecasted even less than a millisecond over in that time. So smart cities are characterized by this kind of high speed broadband connectivity. Internet of things devices are used to gather and analyze data. So internet is the main thing which is used to gather all kind of data which are required in the smart cities. And basically most of the things are connected through internet right now. Even your phone, laptop, TV, or your watch. Nowadays even your vehicles are connected through internet. So each and everything is connected to internet, and it is much more easier to collect the data of the smart cities right now. Connected sensors and devices enable real-time monitoring and decision making. So the sensors which are connected make the real-time monitoring and decision making easier. For example, you have our traffic lights or signals which are connected through sensors and make the real-time monitoring much more easier. Next we have transportations innovations. Smart cities feature intelligent transportation system for efficient mobility. So one of the best example for this are our traffic lights, which give the most intelligent way of controlling the traffic by telling when to move and when not to move during the traffic hours. So that's all it. And integrated public transportation networks reduce traffic congestion and emissions. So integrated public transport means more people traveling through a single transport. For example, buses, trains, or metros, which reduce the space of the transportation required, or emission required. Emission produced, not even required. So, mobility as a service platforms offer seamless transportation options. Data driven decision making. Smart cities uses data analytics to make informed decisions. So, as I told in the starting of the video, so smart cities uses data to improvise their structure of working. Predictive modeling and AI algorithms optimize resource allocation. Data driven insights enhance public services and urban planning. That's all the same what I have told right now. So next we have smart infrastructure management. Advanced infrastructure monitoring system detect and address issues proactively. So infrastructures monitor everything and detect what is the false thing and the right thing, and address the issue proactively, and sorts out the issue as soon as possible. Smart grids and water management systems optimize resource usage. So we have many kind of resources today, and some are gonna get empty within the coming future. So we need to use it most efficiently, and we should not waste the resources right now. And we are finding the alternatives for all the resource which we have right now and may run out in the future. So to use the resources efficiently, smart city may, helps you in a very good manner in by utilizing it only when it is required and not wasting it. Infrastructure automation improves maintenance and operational efficiency. Citizen engagement and participation. Smart city promotes citizen involvement through digital platforms. Open data initiatives increase transparency and collaboration. So the data is open to the all of the citizens, what is happening in the city and what needs to happen in the city, and what are the developments taken by the government or the locality to improvise the city. The all of this is widely open for the citizens, and there is nothing to hide from the citizens over here. Citizen feedback and input shape policies and services. So what smart cities are basically made for human better human environment. So if we don't know what is happening or what needs to happen from the human side, it would be a complete waste of smart cities. So the citizen feedback is the most important thing which is required during constructing a smart city or developing a smart city. Next we have enhanced public safety. Smart cities deploy technology for improved public safety and emergency response. Smart cities does not only improvise the human efficiency or make the human's life easier, but it is also a very important thing that human safety is also taken as a consideration. So if we have everything right now, we do everything, but what about human safety? If we don't have human safety over here, it is completely waste. For like example, I'll work for 3 days and the fourth day I'll go and die. That is like nonsense, right? So that's why human safety is also the most important thing while designing a smart city. Surveillance cameras, sensors, and AI tools enhance security measures. So the surveillance camera, AI tools, and sensors make sure that nothing, no, for example, something has happened and that should not repeat once again, or that should not happen at that instant of time only. And if something wrong is going on at that instant of, someone would have an eye through a CC camera and would stop what wrong is happening over that place, or something natural disaster or some human fights. So if we have surveillance camera and sensors during that time, it will be prevented. Data analytics help predict and prevent crime in urban areas. So that's all what I told you in the previous one. Data analytics help to predict and prevent crime in urban areas. Digital healthcare services. Smart cities offer telemedical and remote healthcare services. Health monitoring devices and wearable support preventive care. So today we have so many health monitoring devices and wearables. For example, our watch, our phone, each, or even the car which we drive right now. Even nowadays scooters also have something called as fall protection. So for example, if you are under some problem, for example your heart rate increases suddenly, or something which is not normal according to the body happens in your body, the watch predicts it, and it updates it to the phone, and the phone gives an alert to some of your close circle or to the nearby hospital, and even in your cars and bikes also. If you go and if you are under any accident, the cars or the bikes immediately it contacts the nearby hospital and makes sure there would be an ambulance to your place as soon as possible. So that's what it says over here. Electronic health records and data sharing improve healthcare outcomes. So whatever your health records are, that would be updated online, and for example, you have a health issue from 30 years right now, so it would in the future, if you check in the online, it would show whatever problems you had in the past 30 years, or since the day you were born until the problem you had, whatever, what was your health condition, everything would be updated online. Conclusion: smart cities are transforming urban landscapes with technology driven solutions. Collaboration between government, business, and communities is essential for success. So, all kind of fields, for example, communities, business, and government, everything should come together to give one of the best services what human have, or make the most efficient energy usage, or make the human's life easier, whatever you can call it. Embracing innovation and sustainability principle leads to a smarter and more resilient future. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching the video until the end. If you think my video was helpful, do like the video, and if you're interested in more kind of content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you think my video would also be helpful to many others like you, don't forget to share the video to your friends also. Thank you for watching until the end.